The good news is no. If you had a valid license when you were pulled over for a DUI, what the officers usually do is they take your license, especially if it's an alcohol DUI, and they give you a temporary license and a notice of suspension. That notice, in very small print, says this is good for 30 days, so you have a license. And that is your license. We can talk to people about how to get a replacement hard copy because most people want one. But anyway, your license is not suspended. Now, you should hire the best attorney, I should say the best DUI attorney who does exclusively DUI defense in the county where you got arrested as soon as you can. And within 10 days of that arrest, that attorney can, or you can on your own, but I recommend using the attorney to contact the local driver safety office of the Department of Motor Vehicles, DMV, and have them request a hearing. It's called the DMV hearing, an admin per se hearing, where there's different burden of proof than the court case, but basically by requesting that hearing within 10 days of arrest, that stays the suspension that's going to happen in 30 days, which is, on that pink sheet. And we can keep you driving for many, many months, sometimes well over a year, while we fight the cases in court and at DMV. So bottom line answer is, as long as you had a valid license when you did get pulled over, you are not suspended when you leave the jail or hospital or wherever you're released from. And you have 10 days to request that hearing, so hire the lawyer to do it. I think it's important that a good DUI lawyer make that request, because they can often have a say in which hearing officer we're going to get for our DMV hearing, which does make a big difference, because some are much more willing to follow the law and give us a win when we deserve a win, versus some who have just been trained to suspend everybody, which is not okay. Unfortunately, that is how it is in many DMV offices all over the San Francisco Bay Area and all over the state of California. But you can drive when you get out. It's just some steps have to be taken to make sure you get to keep driving. And at some point, if your license does go into suspension, a good DUI lawyer is going to know and walk you through how to get you into a restricted license as quick as possible.